Ghana ni o te South Africa na so far how one more a situation it yo Bonsu Martin
brapa yemi chiao
bibi aboko de
abi adaroma etiasi o fine de ya
so de so tro ni bi nyanka ho
Nhyira FM.
na bra boni be na mo de aye wo mo ho de ntina ase mo ho aye hisa ase de mo yi mframa boni wo South Africa
oh enye mframa boni na Ghana ko anase awwa mo ase ya omuye wo ayo mo boni but ni nyina no ejina amamo boni a abifo amampanyin omuntimi mu omani yesa de na woka no se Ghana mpanyin fo he no munye Ghana ko ni Ghana abifo ne di omani na kroma ase no omo emrofo no mo wa before but before ne di omani so say at emrofo no na wo sika na emu before no omo emu omani ye
okay
anama before no omo no omo na hia kese de o mapa and is a comedy omo anasa ade bi ko so na nye a instead say omo do omo eni be ko omo aban no so na omo de akosue awo.
Wow. So currently hin omo attack mo na nipa ben sa na omo attack o because ye hu nkrofo a omo categorize omo so omo ye illegal immigrants just omo krata asem nhye danye and those people no omo attack omo. Is that the truth?
No there no correct in the sense say so opo bia kroma so nyankrata na South Africa buy no and am say before the pressure to buy no so no e mo masesa omumra nanka before ubewuram na wo de visiting ebe kuro ni ma wutimi sesa krata no de pe adwuma krata na say edusia and say any other permit and so was Ghana aqua land na what the visit ebe for most at times few people no munya work permit at the go land. But Kurema no akodi edu anaso akona bia obi krata ye but na South African sister but the one who say before na eba no eji kuro na fa ndiama aban na so samra no ndi enianu ga na fo wo mu a omu bae na omu krata omu ntimi sisan no oye adwuma but onin krata
Okay.
eno na mu from undocumented national meaning that wonni krata e so ye
okay. But you must enkrofo bi wo hono a wo mu show mu documents in some of the videos okay, but they are still being attacked. Are they?
Okay, and no once South Africa omo political landscape no this time around no omo ye local government is Asante regional ministers and the other. So about one this month and next month, yeah. Basa, some of my happening and be politically motivated. A minimum chair and go for the gamma, or we yes, I know may against the war. Eddie go abaya or tesono anymore.
Okay.
They are abaya your position, but many are fire. And they are back to about the region because no much is already enough. It is that when it happens, and yet region beyond happen on one region. I on a pro KwaZulu Natal and before a door so on. Maybe before no a common poverty and normal be bread the first one our man. It's a normal consumer we know. For when the bread was your buying us. What the money dress here, our war, or winning crata. Our winning crata, and the man would get a bit more shops, a street, a bit more salon, Ghana for a be a fitter for a be a shoemakers. And the town for a is there on big map attack. That will be to say, will be a teacher, old school, and also be a doctor or hospital. A difficult so much my first Abiana about for a harassment.
But yehu videos they entered hospital asking Crawford so you're foreign and quadia whether so yari we when you pay and this was screen this was here and that's why you a Facebook page almost sake everyone
I don't see no because I no buy no more about the idea and say South African government the MF free medical services for Proba anyone. But now, service in the public government institutions, now is choked. In the age choked now, Kurobakwa, if you are crying with delay, instead of say, or no be anymore now, when it be anymore. Although I buy no one, will be all from Diano, who on Cratadia, or access to enjoy that facilities. But Omono, when you say, a secret Benny, and Sana, I know. Because on only year Juma, it's the attack Emma by no. In the other engineer horn one Sunday at home. And we have it over here. Even though I buy mitigated that problem, but it started small by small because a group, maybe a group will be no what is very big dollar is every match and match. Omukoma na area be no attacking the area. I just say escalate high and stand up by night. I police the problem and I say when the law enforcement no my bed.
Okay. And say no Ghana for more South Africa say bi te say mo amode mu tia ye amonkrata asem bibia eye ne ade no anamo be na mudi mutu aboa mu nuanu mu aze o madi nsensem me South Africa bibifo nsem yi.
The me when say last time me nya information there Cape Town me one na Ghana for more informal areas we just alone there no Ghana High Commissioner no the link be ebre omo chairman say in fact wow South Africa there for database no na ebusa questions be if I would say the phone number who South African character and after winning character. I think it was beginning of the year the new High Commissioner in Victoria and collected this kind of information. But then in that form, no more request say if you need any assistance for a Ghana Commissioner for support. A bit is a passport, Ghanaians a banana passport and another passport Iraq. So I will renew the passport no grano. Yes, what the one onye the permit and the immigration but what omun wa ko share immigration prison South Africa ban no immigration problem say on mean come a whole wa omoye illegal nyina and deport to say the American president was this no odo ko share prison na just obusuafo e dey try take it ma and e dey free kuronim abexi and yes abeda prison forever oh Saturday, who got some years more. You were a whole while, you are more Bushafo friend himself. That's what them when it's the car. Wow, Yaran and Kata, what are down forever.
Hey,
oh, and these are problems. No, Corona and Catano, and when the problems are bad news, we now I quite affect Ghana and yeah, you was out a question. Rapany, and you news for Proma.
Etesi
radio station no pay am no kasaya now we think of why abo mu to akumu oma am Robert Akwata akumu e bi okura man news and the chronomu ne yakura asika wo but chrono ene intratrasem ene ewudie ewo omuma na fa because kwan omu fa so mu independence amrofo no etete wo monti ama ayesu bia wo mu nyame stro wo Ghana maimu Ghana forma estro nyame estro se uni akra na yo bibi kra na e bepi aka so Roma ni we na de ne ha na we ba be tutu a ba be ku nya pe no kwa ka se sofo na se e be bo dua na se be koma me sofo
yes okun free
and corruption you etu outside like everywhere obi awotu you grant license one. And do the granuma, and Baba and so one, two, maybe as I was who is your place. 3 so he wana mo nto mu ye na nkonko ya won se makofo bi mpra na ba akofo kro ni obi mpra wo da we ba be kun se sia
BBNC
ebe ko case bra na ban no constitution ne boa ban no in fact the prison bra dey ti o di pan ne go prison. Most of the criminals they prefer to go to jail because go jail or be on with me go school with me disease with me facility so nice to ba commit crime not for prison now so many them should so committed.
Wow, that is South Africa. 20 years was South Africa. About you say brefie.
Oh, if you're banning there, what your comparison there makes my birthday, but this is something I can compare to you. Almost life living here and the economy is so strong. Then, for example, Ufa Ghana near Ochradi. Now, he Ghana near Ochradi and also the level 1 teacher. I can't hear what Ghana is 4,000 Ghana. My name says Ghana make an no crowd.
Yeah,
according to my research, that is the figures I see. What it says, we can compare South Africa to be aware of Juma with the session price. On the says, South Africa near Ochradi there or level 1 teacher. Now, Ketria for level 1 is almost around 20,000 rands. 20,000 rands, no, the bag is became a bit mama almost about 1,500 or $1,200. Name converted Ghana, it's more than 10,000 to 12,000 Ghana. And junior Juma promo say na usika semi okay, we cannot any apetiane and it was so say we Ghana, we Kumasi Polytechnic, and chemical engineer.
Okay.
But many now almost your way you want factory, almost to compare. Obi Ochra de wa say I know 9 channel. Mr. Teacher level 1, the deputy assistant headmaster.
Oh, yeah, deputy assistant headmaster.
What I'm doing level 1. Because I mean, the Befia, being as I get Chiano, and the memoir when I say, Befia, I'm a retirement.
You say, which radio?
That is the thing.
They say, which radio?
I'm a lecturer for university as a junior lecturer.
Nessa, we share now we deputy assistant head Wahano. Edim po kochra de e wo hono mo saa no kra no a emutwe.
Yeah, need any emutwe. Ana proma no abai no enoma wo no ebuapo mo afo no mo ti no mu ntu kwan no omu unye school pe no ubenya adwuma e easy. But akwadworo kakra wo wafa ana mo akwadwo ni neuro terminal drug terminal no do yama opportunities ne wo honom at omo nyede omo fa
take advantage
machiro mate won kra machiro mate a e be a doctor be a pharmacist e be engineer o market yo moje no onu no mfa hoho onfa organ ni awoye salon onfa organ ni awoye we trader omo ni adwuma ya omo akwadworo no ana omo mo ni bread
esu ahoho
because of person okay adwuma we be a was the bank hotel maybe ahoho there the pass adwuma ne ma no but we obi apost wa ha na wonya degree adwuma obeye no enye de wo obeye no na wo person obeye.
I see. Bonsu. Wow. Bonsu. Mame na sia no pay na megidi se developments bi e beba no ye besa ba hobiem. Na ya behwe ne ne wadi hu nkomo. Nhyira. Nti Osei Assibey Bonsu eye Ghanaian a South Africa. He's been there for over 20 years. Now okochira de ene wole Chao University bi or the distance no so or the atoto Ghana ho ne or ye deputy assistant head wa ha is a no ketua ne nsem no nye enti but unim de enti ana me ka ba ko no ye nyina ye wo bibia bi wa ha de ne nie